Hi, I'm Saurabh Rungta. I'm a wedding photographer and filmmaker, and I'm really excited to be part of the Nikon family as the new Nikon expertive. Well, my relationship with Nikon is actually quite old. My father has been a Nikon fanboy, and I remember using his cameras from the Nikon FM2 to the FE2 effectively when I was learning my first steps in photography. My first DSLR though was a Nikon D90, my first ever, which I started learning photography, and then I progressed to the D600, the D750, the D810s. And after taking a short break from Nikon when the mirrorless wave happened, I'm glad to be back into the Nikon family when they released the Z6 and the Z7. Today, I'm really excited to be presenting an all-new Nikon camera, the Nikon Z5. Nikon's brand new full-frame entry-level mirrorless camera. Let's see how this fares. Okay, let's see what we have in here. So in India, Nikon is bundling in a memory card with a memory card reader. This is the brand new Nikon EL15C battery. And the best part about it is, although this is brand new, this has backward compatibility with all of the Nikon Z cameras. There's a Nikon strap, the power charging cable, and look what we have here. The fresh smell of a brand new camera. And here it is, the brand new Nikon Z5. Okay, my first impressions. If you have the Nikon Z6, you would know that ergonomically this is very similar to the Nikon Z6. It's got this deep grip, which I love about the Nikons. And this is a great job considering that this is an entry-level camera. Nikon has thrown in all the punches and made this into a really wonderful, fully weather-sealed body. One of the great new changes that Nikon has done on this camera is something that all Nikon lovers were really asking for. Now it has a dual memory card slot, and it can fit in the SD2 cards, which makes it easier to back up your files while on the go. This camera features an Xpeed 6 processor, which makes it ideal for capturing low light details and capturing that crisp resolution. Another really cool feature of the Z5 is the inclusion of this Type-C USB port. And this is really convenient because now I can shoot an entire time lapse or an entire Sangeet in the wedding without having to worry about the battery draining out. I can just insert an external power bank which will keep the juice in the camera going on and on. Now let's see what lens comes bundled with this package. Okay, so this is the pancake, almost pancake size, really nifty Nikon 2450 f4 to 6.3 lens. You know, my first impression of this lens is that this is really lightweight. Ideal for travel photographers, wedding photographers like us who need portability and mobility at the same time. Let me try and fit it into the camera. Look, fits in really well in my hands. The focal length of f4 to 6.3 is quite a nice trade-off if you're looking at size and portability. And considering that there are external lights in weddings now, in good lighting situations this can be quite handy. Then there is the other range of the Nikon Z lenses, the 2470 f4, which is my favorite go-to lens, and the 35 1.8, 50 1.8 and the 85 1.8. I think for all those who are looking to make the foray into mirrorless and have been part of the Nikon family like I have been, this is a great entry-level camera. For one, you can integrate all your Nikon F mount lenses with the new FTZ adapter so that your investment into a high-end mirrorless is quite low. I'm really looking forward to taking this camera out in the field and testing its features. So it's a beautiful sunny day here in Calcutta, and welcome to my terrace garden with my 3 little doggies, my babies. And since the Nikon Z5 has both human and animal eye focus, we thought during the corona times, why don't we take our dogs out and do a little portrait shoot with them outdoors. I'm going to activate the eye focus, and I'm shifting the eye focus from my Lesapso to my Beagle to my Cocker Spaniel. Very nice. All the boys are behaving. In spite of being a kit lens, I love that all the Nikon Z lenses have a control ring from which you can control the aperture, the manual focus, the ISO. All in all, I'm really happy with the Nikon Z5. For this price point, this is the best as it gets. I love the feel of this camera. And for all those who are looking to make the shift into the mirrorless camera world, this is the perfect camera for you.